All right, today we're going to be focused on the upper body release with the foam roller. If you have a soft foam roller, it's better. If you have a hard one, it's okay. And place the foam roller underneath the shoulder blades and take your hands behind the head. Make sure your toes pointing forward, your knees separated, elbows out. Okay, you're going to slowly rock the body side to side and keeping your neck stable. And when you are going side to side, notice actually you're moving your ribs and your spine side to side, opening back of your ribs. Your knees are not moving, they are stable. So you're going inhale and exhale, going with a nice deep breath. So now we're going to slowly bring the elbows a little bit closer, okay? And we're going to lean to the side, right side, and you're doing a little circular movement. Again, coming from the back ribs, not from your lower body. And gently compressing below the shoulder blades, side of the shoulder blades, and you go to the other side. Again, here we are mobilizing the thoracic spine, ribs, and releasing any tension in the middle back area. Right, so next one, we're keeping the elbows slightly close, okay? Take a deep breath. As you exhale, try to extend your back and sink into the foam roller with the middle back, just base of the shoulder blades. So the foam roller really on the base of the shoulder blades, or a little bit higher, it's fine, but not lower. And you're going slowly back as you're breathing in. And every exhalation, try to extend a little bit more. Relax your head on your hands. Very important, your head is not holding. And feeling an opening in the front of your ribs, your abs, feeling stretching and compressing in the just in your middle back. Try to keep your feet flat, your knees parallel. If you touch your head, your hands, perfect, and stay there. Still keeping your elbows slightly close, about like 10 degrees. And relax your pelvis on the floor. Take a deep breath and exhale. Really feeling your abs and ribs opening in front of the body. And getting an expansion from your thoracic spine. The lower back is stable and your hips relax. Your toes and knees facing forward. And now we're going to roll up slowly. So take a nice deep breath. As you exhale, lift your head up a little bit and you're using your abdominal muscles to back to the flexion. That's it. And you turn to your side. So on the side, you place the foam roller right underneath the base of your shoulder blades and then stuck your knees together. Again, we work on the mobility of your thoracic spine as we are stabilizing the pelvis and lower back. So keep your knees stuck together and then rolling back and forth slowly in the below the shoulder blades, side of the shoulders, shoulder blades, right underneath the armpit. And if you have any rotator cuff tension, this feels good to release the muscles of the scapula. And then you stay on the side, we extend the arms all the way down, head is relaxed, and you really open your side of the ribs and take a deep breath, feeling the, again, your ribs in the back of the ribs, front of the ribs. Relax your neck and jaw, and exhale. Inhale. And exhale, really feeling your face relax. Just only focus on deep breathing. Very good, and then slowly help with your top arm come up, and then we'll go to the other side. Again, press just the base of the shoulder blades or a little bit higher if it's too tight there, and stuck your knees together. That's very important about 90 degrees. Your feet is okay slightly back, but it's very important your knees together and your pelvis is together, okay? And take your hands behind the head, and at first we're going to do rotation from the thoracic spine, slowly as you're compressing against side of the ribs and shoulder blade, releasing any tension in the middle back area. And when you're rotating back, make sure your knees staying pressed together. And inhale as you exhale, open up. And inhale. And then you stay on the side and slowly extend your arms. And just breathe in. Again on the side, abdominals. As you exhale, you sink into the foam roller. As you inhale, feeling the nice expansion on the ribs. Side breathing is very important to release and open up. All right, so slowly we're going to use the foam roller to stretch the back and shoulders. So you come on your knees, hold the foam roller at the edge, and your knees parallel. And then take a deep breath as you stretch your arms, make an arch on your back, and your hips, actually your butt is staying up. So you're extending your spine, your shoulders, head between the arms, and take a deep breath. And exhale, further stretch. Very good. Right, from here, we go back to the middle back. So placing the foam roller where you started. So this one, it requires a bit coordination. So again, your elbows slightly forward, so your spine a little bit, your first spine slightly flexed, okay? You might need to feel your abs a little bit, so you're using your abdominals for this one. So flat feet, you're gonna lift your bottom off the floor, and then you can walk your feet a little bit farther to help to adjust, and the foam roller is gonna glide toward your upper back, and your head is stable, okay? And then inhale, as you exhale, slowly lower your bottom down where you started, and the foam roller is going to glide toward your middle back. You're back to the flexion. So you're doing a flexion extension through the spine, coming up to the bridge pose, and the foam roller naturally is going to roll underneath your middle back this way. Okay? It just comes with a little bit of practice and coordination. And you're going exhale up, sliding all the way up, and then inhale, and it feels so good rolling underneath your middle back. If you have a little tension there, and mobilizing your thoracic spine as well. So you're going extension and little flexion. You can feel free to start lower part, a little bit lower if it's not too hard for you, not too much compression, more closer to the middle, almost lower part, closer to the middle lower part of the ribs, so past the shoulder blades, and then slowly go up. Same thing, you have to lift your butt up higher, but again, without overextending your lower back, and inhale, and come down. Adjust your feet, so make sure your ankle and knees in a good alignment, and elbows slightly again forward. So the shoulder blades in neutral position. And exhale up. And inhale. And just loosen up and compressing, opening the back of your shoulders. Right, next now we're going to finish with the neck roll. So you're going to place the foam roller right underneath the base of your neck. So occipital bone area, just in the bony part of your neck, so not on the spine. Okay, relax your arms and then relax your legs, everything open, And then you roll your neck side to side. You can close your eyes and just very slowly, the foam roller right underneath the bony part of your neck, so in your skull, and releasing any tension there, all the muscle attachments of your neck. It helps with headache, tension headaches, and neck tension, jaw tension. And you can move the foam roller a little bit higher still on your head, and you're going side to side. And you can also hold on one side and doing small circular movement as you're really feeling heavy on the foam roller with your head. And then going to the other side. And then back to center, and you bring your chin a little bit close toward the collarbone, like you're doing a chin tuck. And now moving your chin up, and you're feeling the foam roller a little bit moving underneath your head, but very slowly. And this helps to open up the back of your neck. And very small movement, and you're really feeling heavy into the floor and heavy with your head on the foam roller. And relax your jaw and face as you're rolling. And you can hold it and work with your deep breathing, relax everything on the floor, really sinking into the floor, everything is getting heavy and flat, using gravity to open up the front of the body, adjust and reposition your spine in your pelvis, and your head is heavy on the foam roller. And your face and jaw is relaxed, your fingers and toes are relaxed. Breathing deeply and exhaling very slowly. All right, so this is the little quick relaxation for the upper body and neck. Hope you enjoyed it. So you can repeat as much as you want, and especially before you go back to sleep, it really helps to relax. Thank you so much.